Hello guys, welcome to this channel. On this channel, I teach you step by step. I guide you with step by step tutorials on how to make money online and also avoid online scams of several kinds. So stay with me so that you can learn and avoid online scams and also make money for yourself the legit way. Okay? So I want you to hit on the subscribe button and hit a like to this video, even share and comment so that many people will see this video and also learn something. Okay, so let's dive right into today's video. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on the step by step guide on how to carry out the last task on Paws Airdrop. Okay, so if you don't carry out this task, you may lose all your points or become ineligible for the airdrop. So let's get into the task right now. So what you do is for you to open the Puzzler bot on Telegram for those of you that are already farming it. So when you open here, it's at leaders now, that is leadership board. So you click on the N, the one down at your right hand corner down is showing N. So when you click on it, it will open this page. Once it opens this page, you see under this limited, you see one task there that is showing X at got post. Okay, this is the task that we need to do very, and there's a right way to do it. See, when you get here, the thing you will do is that you should click on go. It's showing go now at the end and there's a countdown time there. Click on the go, click on it, go. When you click on it, it will bring you to Twitter. You see, like other airdrops or like other tasks, if you click on it, it will direct you straight to the handle of where you need to follow, but this one, it will not bring you there. So the thing you will do is to come to this top here that they wrote search X. Click on the search X. Okay, what you do is to what? Type it yourself. Type GOTPAWSED. That is got post, the way you saw it on the Telegram bot. So if you click on it, you will be lucky to see where they wrote Paws Labs. You see that it has a blue tick, is verified. Okay, then you click on it. When you click on it, the next thing you are going to do is for you to look for where they wrote follow. My own is already showing following here at the top, following, because I'm already following. So you are going to click on follow in your own. Once you click on follow, try and turn on the notification bell here. This bell icon that they mark good, I'm already following. I've already turned my own on. Turn it on so that when they post an update, you'll be able to know. Okay, turn it on. Once you turn it on, you see, check the follower base here. It's showing 354,000 followers as at now that I'm recording this video for you people to see. So it's showing 354,000 what? Followers. So at this point, you now come back. Follow me and carry out this task. You now come back to Telegram bot and you see that this place I wrote go is still showing go. It didn't change to claim like before. As we always see it, it will change to claim and we'll now claim our 5,000 points. But now it's still showing go. You know why? Because it's showing here 355.42 thousand slash 1 million persons. That is what is showing here. This means that before we can get our 5,000 pulse points, before we can get it, this thing need to hit 1 million followers. These people will hit 1 million followers on their Twitter handle. This place are showing 354,000. It has to hit 1 million. So once it hits 1 million followers, those of us that actually carry out this task will get 5,000 pause automatically. They will do their verification, do what they need to do before we can now get our 5,000 points. And I can tell you that once we get this 5,000 points, it won't take long. This airdrop will happen. And trust me, many people are going to make money, the type of money that they have not made in airdrop before. So stay with me. If you have watched this video up to this time, I want you to go ahead and hit on the subscribe button. Hit on the subscribe button, hit on the like button, and comment. Tell me how many points that you have gotten from Paws Lab airdrop. Tell me in the comment section. If you have 20,000 points, you have 30,000, you have 50,000, you have 100,000, you have 150,000, you have 200,000 points. Tell me in the comment section that this is the number of points that you have gotten so far. Okay? And we'll see you in the next video. Okay? I will be showing you more amazing tutorials on this channel. So click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to, turn on the notification bell so that once I drop the next video, you'll be the first to know. Some of these tasks are timely. Some of the things, the steps that I'm taking to make money online, they are time bound. So you won't want to miss it. So that is why you need to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know once I drop the video. Okay, so let's get into the comment section and tell me how many points that you have gotten so far. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.